Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss about ammonia plant. So ammonia plant is a big plant. In one video is not possible to complete all of the plant. So for this ammonia plant I will make several videos. So these videos credit goes to Mr. Saibur Rahman sir, Mr. Nurul Islam and Mr. Shahin Mia. So viewers, no more talking, let's start. In the ammonia plant, main product is ammonia and carbon dioxide. So this is ammonia and carbon dioxide. So we have to produce ammonia and carbon dioxide. For producing ammonia, our required nitrogen and hydrogen. So nitrogen we are getting from the atmosphere, so and hydrogen from where we will get. So now I will explain one by one, so please give concentration. Nitrogen possible to get from atmosphere because in the atmosphere 79% nitrogen and almost 21% oxygen. From this atmosphere possible to getting nitrogen, but for getting hydrogen, from where we will get hydrogen? Hydrogen we can get from two ways. One is electrolysis of water and another is steam reforming of natural gas. So if we take electrolysis of water, that time only we will get hydrogen, but we will not get carbon dioxide. So in our plant required hydrogen and carbon dioxide, that's why we will do steam reforming of natural gas, because in the water hydrogen are available. If I do by electrolysis process, we will get hydrogen, but we will not get carbon dioxide. For getting carbon dioxide, we have to do steam reforming of natural gas. You know, in the natural gas are present methane, ethane, propane, butane, some moisture, argon and some sulfur, around less than 5 ppm sulfur or less than 1 ppm sulfur. So from the natural gas are available methane. So in Bangladesh this natural gas methane percent is 94.3%, and ethane C2H6 around 3.4%, and other gases sulfur percent is around less than 1 ppm, and some moisture also available on the natural gas. So if we do steam reforming of natural gas, if we do steam reforming with the natural gas, that time what will create? Because in the natural gas are available methane. If methane react with steam, this is called steam, that time what will happen? It will create carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So if we do steam reforming by natural gas, so we will get carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So this carbon dioxide and hydrogen are required. Another required is nitrogen. So nitrogen we will get from the atmosphere. So in the reforming section I will show you this nitrogen point. So now I hope you understand how we are getting this ammonia and carbon dioxide. So today I will explain up to desulfurization section. In the ammonia plant different types of section are available. Desulfurization section, reforming section, and shift converter section, CO2 removal section and synthesis section are available. So I will try to explain step by step. So first time I will explain desulfurization section. Up to desulfurization section I will give explanation in my part 1 videos. So viewers, if I show you by this graph, it will be more clear. So viewers, I hope you understand. For getting ammonia and carbon dioxide, our required natural gas, steam and air. So first time we will take natural gas from the engine metering station. So this natural gas are available: methane, ethane, propane, some moisture, some argon, some sulfur. So our required only methane or ethane. So that's why I have make one drawing. So I will show you how we are doing this process. So from here, this natural gas coming and it will come to the knockout dam. Why we are using this knockout dam? Because natural gas are available some moisture. This moisture are harmful for the compressor, and that's why we have to remove this moisture by this knockout dam. Then this natural gas or feed gas will distributed two lines. One line will go to the compressor and another line will go as a fuel gas to arc burner, tunnel burner, auxiliary boiler and superheater. So now I will tell you the first line, which one has gone to the compressor. So now I will explaining about this line. So from this knockout drum, top side this natural gas 7 kg pressure and 30 degree centigrade temperature will go to the compressor. This compressor are second stage compressor. This compressor suction it will go, and this compressor compress. What is compressor? So if anyone asks you what is compressor, so you can tell him compressor is a mechanical device which is increase pressure by reducing volume of the fluid. So compressor is a mechanical device which is increase pressure and temperature by reducing the volume of fluid or gases. So like this feed gas or this feed gas will go to the compressor, and compressor will compress this gas and it will go to the second stage suction. Before going this second stage, there are available intercooler. Why are providing intercooler? Intercooler is provided to remove the condensate. After discharging from fast discharge, compressor pressure and temperature will increase, and that time here is available intercooler. In this intercooler provided cooling water. If any condensate available on the feed gas, this condensate will remove on the drain point, this drain port, and after it will release to the atmosphere. So after doing this feed gas flow will go to the compressor second stage suction and compress the feed gas again, and again it will discharge by this line 42 kg pressure, 120 degree centigrade temperature. It will discharge from the compression. So it will, where it will go, this will go to the feedstock heater. Why it will go to the feedstock heater? Because today's topic is desulfurization section. So what is the function of desulfurization section? D means remove, sulfurization means sulfur remove section, because sulfur is very harmful for the catalyst, especially more harmful for the nickel catalyst. Nickel catalyst are using primary reformer, secondary reformer, so it is very harmful for the nickel catalyst. So anyhow we have to remove the sulfur. That's why this feed gas will go to the desulfurization section. But before going the desulfurization section, this feed gas will take some temperature. For the better reaction required temperature. So this compressor outlet temperature 120 degrees centigrade. From this compressor it will go to the feedstock heater. So I already make another drawing by this line, and it will go to the feedstock heater. This is feedstock heater. This feedstock heater temperature coming from the primary reformer. This primary reformer flue gas temperature heated the feedstock heater. So after passes this feedstock heater, this temperature will come around 399 degrees centigrade. This 399 degrees centigrade and 42 kg pressure, this feed gas will go to the where? Feed gas will go to the desulfurization section. So on this desulfurization section, first time it will go to the hydrotreator. Why it will go to the hydrotreator? Because organic sulfur will decompose on the hydrotreator and will create hydrogen sulfide. So on the hydrotreator available cobalt molybdenum catalyst. By the presence of cobalt molybdenum catalyst, this organic sulfur decompose and create hydrogen sulfide. In this hydrotreator, 14.15 meter cube catalysts are available. Cobalt molybdenum catalysts are available. So after creating hydrogen sulfide and gas both will go to the desulfurizer vessel. There are 2 desulfurizer vessels. Per vessel catalyst available 10 meter cube. On this desulfurization vessel, zinc oxide catalysts are available. By the presence of zinc oxide catalyst, this hydrogen sulfide will create zinc sulfide and hydrogen. By this way, sulfur will remove by this desulfurization section and this feed gas will go to the primary reformer. So now I will explain on the blackboard. So viewers, I hope these topics are clear. If not clear, I will explain again. If any confusion, please comment on my videos. I will try to give proper solution. Main purpose of the desulfurization vessel to remove the sulfur, because sulfur is harmful for the process. I already told you. Now I will give you the some information about this compressor, because this feed gas firstly will go to the feed gas compressor. So feed gas compressor. So now I will tell you the trip cause of feed gas compressor. Why feed gas compressor will trip? Trip causes of feed gas compressor. If knockout drum level high, I already told you this natural gas first time will come to the knockout drum. If knockout drum level high, that means 50%, that time this feed gas compressor will be trip. Because why it will trip? If knockout drum level 50% and if anyhow condensate come to the compressor, that time what will happen? This compressor will be damaged. For save the compressor, they have provided tip for knockout drum level. So after second one is if intercooler, there first stage and second stage, middle one intercooler are available. If intercooler side drain port level high, that means 50% level, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. So I already get 2 trip point. Another trip point is if this compressor is over speed, compressor speed high, over speed, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. And if anyone push the push button, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. So if lube oil pressure low, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. When pressure will come 0.8 kg, that time feed gas compressor will be trip. And another one is LP side seal oil head tank level low, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. If HP side seal oil tank level low, that time also feed gas compressor will be trip. If LP side shift shaft high alarm coming, that type also compressor will be trip. Plus minus 0.5 millimeter alarm appeared and plus minus 0.9 millimeter compressor will be trip. Like this turbine side shift shaft high alarm coming, that time also compressor will be trip. Because the alarm will be appeared plus minus 0.5 millimeter and this compressor or turbine will be trip plus minus 0.9 millimeter. So these are the trip cause of the compressor. So viewers, in these videos I already get carbon dioxide and this hydrogen. So viewers, in my next videos I will explain about reforming section. Reforming section side many questions are available. If you face interview, that time you have to face many questions on the reforming section. So in my next class I will explain about reforming section, but desulfurization section interviewer can ask you what types of catalyst are using in desulfurization section, why we are using catalyst, what is the purpose of catalyst using. So they are asking many questions. So in my last videos I will provide some question and I will also solve this and I will also give this answer in my last video. So viewers, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like my videos for getting encouraged for creating more videos. If I get more like and comment, that only I will make another videos about ammonia plant. Thanks for watching up to last moment.